Today, I am going to unbox an envelope which I received from one of the costliest country in the world. It's Hong Kong. And I am thankful to my friend Apri who sent me this. Some unique and beautiful stamps and customs recommendations are visible on it. But before opening, if you like this video, please consider subscribing. Let's open it. She sent me a postcard with a lovely message. Along with some coins. And old issue $1 coin from Hong Kong, and another old issue $2 coin from Hong Kong, and an old issue 20-cent coin from Hong Kong, and an old issue 10-cent coin from Hong Kong as well, and a 1 pataka from Macau. A new issue $2 from Hong Kong, a new issue 10-cent from Hong Kong, another new issue $1 from Hong Kong, $50 from Hong Kong, 5 pataka from Macau, a shiny 20-cent from Hong Kong, and the last one, 10 avos from Macau.